I need to drill a lock hole in this cabinet door. I'll install a lock. I'll use this saw to make the hole. This saw is too wide, it won't go in. Let's try using a chisel. This isn't working either. The chisel mark is too wide as well. How can we fix this? I'm getting frustrated. I haven't slept well for several nights. I'll modify a foot mold machine for a new invention. Let's take this new invention. We'll attach it to the foot mold machine. Remove the pressure plate from the foot mold machine. Install this central shaft onto it, screw it on, then let's put this amazing device on top. Now use this small piece. Let's tighten it up and secure the screws. This slotting tool works great. Any old-timer fans, check out the link below for more.